Hello everyone, here's a question from ionic equilibrium. If 1 millimolar solution of ethylamine produces pH equal to 9, then the ionization constant Kb of ethylamine is 10 to the power minus x. What is the value of x is? We have to find out the nearest integer, and the condition given is degree of ionization of ethylamine can be neglected with respect to unity. So this means if it is 1 minus alpha, we can take that approximately equal to 1. pH value is given as 9. We know that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So therefore pOH is equal to 14 minus 9, and that is equal to 5. This means the concentration of OH minus is equal to 10 to the power minus 5, because pOH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration. So unless we put the value 10 to the power minus 5 here, we can't get 5 here, isn't it? Log 10 base 10 is 1. Now we have ethylamine, which is a weak base, and in the aqueous medium it accepts a proton and gives us OH minus and ethyl ammonium ion. So initial concentration that we have here is 1 times 10 to the power minus 3 molar, because it is given in millimolar, and we will have nothing on the product side. But at equilibrium, the concentration of ethylamine will be C minus C alpha, which we can write it as C times 1 minus alpha, and we know that 1 minus alpha is approximately equal to 1. So even at equilibrium, we are going to take the value as simply concentration. So therefore this is simply equal to concentration. On the product side, it would be C alpha, and we know that concentration of OH minus is 10 to the power minus 5. So therefore the concentration of ethyl ammonium ion should also be taken as 10 to the power minus 5. Therefore Kb is equal to concentration of ethyl ammonium ion times concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of ethylamine. Water is in excess, and therefore we don't enter that in the equation. So therefore this is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 times 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 10 to the power minus 3. Why we are taking it as 10 to the power minus 3? Because C times 1 minus alpha is simply equal to C, because 1 minus alpha is approximately equal to 1. That's why we are putting the initial value that is given. So therefore this would become 10 to the power minus 7, and on the left hand side we have 10 to the power minus x. So therefore x is equal to 7. That is the correct answer.